to the channel. So for today's video, I'll be playing a song association with my friend Danielle. Say hi.
Hi guys.
Yeah, so we have an app here with the words. I think it's 15 seconds per word, and the app should be keeping scores. So let's go. Phone. You can call me on my cell phone late night when you need.
You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love.
You need to move that phone there.
Not gonna use Google for help me,
Guys,
girl.
Javars, your sister still on the phone?
No, she gone. Should I call back?
Our sister, I call her to help her. Man, I love that.
Gabrielle, come help me with the kid.
No.
because she has the next half of my brain, girl. Round finished. Alright, to get your star. Oh, look at what play now. Alright, player 2, are you ready? Am I ready?
I don't know, are you?
Am I ready? Apple.
Girl, I want the easy. Come on.
Apple, Gabriel.
What you mean? Move the phone from your ears. Come, keep phone on there so. Right. Time's up.
Which song you did that thing about?
So they got that apple bottom jeans. Boots with the fur.
Come on. So they had them apple bottom jean boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, so they got low.
Round finished. Round finished. This so always keeping score.
Right.
Why to do this to me? Is it my tablet? Why not the phone side? Alright, round
My
2.
turn. TV. TV. I don't know that's not with TV. Time up.
Round finished. Next player, Danielle Phillips. It was a cut up my full name. Danielle, are you ready? No, I'm not. 3, 2, 1.
Soap.
Cool that wash your face with the cake soap.
Like I wash my face with the cake soap. Like I wash my face with the cake soap. Like I wash my face with the cake soap. You know,
Did I forget that one day? Now, so the words go.
Cartel would be
I don't
pro.
know either way, just put the audio over it. Oh, I'm gonna get a point. Yes, Danielle, I say it must come. Alright, worth a star. Get 1 star, girl. Alright, round finished. Next player, Lavinia, are you ready?
Come now.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, next. Oh, feel it.
Pen. There's that song on the tip of my tongue, but it now comes to me.
Yes, God work for Danielle.
Jesus. Get it, spell now.
The
Get it,
time
no. My start.
Pass a pen and give me some paper. Write on me, I go write up later. Yeah, me love how technology greater, but it a mash up me flow. So
No, my start sing before the time.
No,
No,
the time
no, my start sing before, of
The
course.
time finished. Gabriel,
Yeah,
somebody
listen.
need a neutral third party because the time finished.
No,
the time did
no,
finish.
worth
The
a
time-
star.
No,
Worth a star. Round finish.
when you go through the screen recording, you go see.
No.
You know, I'm gonna just know say the pound 1 point in a Lavinia because you're a thief. You're a thief. Alright, banana. Jesus.
Listen, give me the phone here. Excuse me.
No.
Because I don't understand what you do over there, so.
Me not
No,
gonna sing
my
the song, you know.
fruit.
Oh.
That banana.
You know, I was sing the song.
Time
You
to
know.
On my fruit, that banana. Time for get loose. Give me what I wanna.
A 1 point you have still.
It's
1
2
1.
point, man.
It's
2
1
points.
1 1. You're a criminal. You don't know you're a criminal.
Ready.
Ready. Alright, Lavinia, no.
Yes.
Alright. Button.
Button. Come touch me now. Touch our button now. Come touch me now. Touch our button now.
Alright.
Touch a button now. Come touch me now. Touch a button now. Come touch me now. Touch a button now. I know where you come from or where you gon' go.
2, 1.
Mirror.
Mirror on the wall. Yeah. Here we go again. Can you sing that again?
Just Timberlake. Yeah.
Mirror on the wall, here we are again. Through my rise and fall, you've been my only friend.
Spoon. Spoon.
No, you want she help you, not true.
No, to ask what's the words. I'm just telling
you never
her.
want she help me. You want she help you.
I'm gonna start with spoon.
You never get no points. Next player. Daniel, are you ready? Am I ready?
Are you ready?
Alright, come. Come, Daniel. We're not ready, but we'll go through. Alright. Wallet.
Wallet. Yeah. You know song with wallet? Can I wear them, yeah?
Them a fight you out,
Let's
but we
say.
are go through. Because me just put random words. Me never put to the pop.
You should have select a genre, girl. My head.
Ready? Alright. Alright. Here.
When you can't get them words here?
I got hair.
What?
I clean underwear.
I do that. What?
That is a song.
I've
You
never
can't
heard
tell
that
me
before.
and I put it in a verse.
What?
It's a TikTok
Stop
audio.
it,
One
guys.
them can't tell me
Stop
say
it, guys.
now.
Don't encourage this.
Me get the point.
No.
Yes.
What kind of song
Come
that?
Google it.
Hello.
TikTok. Yes, you know the song, Gabriel. It's not a full song, but it's a song because why them sing it is not is a song. If you are singing it, it's a song. If you're singing it, it is a
That's
song.
crap.
Round
Anyways.
finished. 3-3.
What you mean? That's legit says 4.
But you know you're 1 point behind.
No,
me.
I'm not.
Next is a 7 points to win him. So
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Who that mirror you?
Me, player 1. Jesus, what this song go? To cut me like a knife. Oh my God, there's a song that says something about cut me like a knife. Oh my gosh. Oh.
I know you're that girl. I didn't know you're that. Next player.
Oh my gosh.
Danielle, are you ready? Take her off so load.
I'm turning.
Ready? Because they give Lavinia enough editing work. Candy. Shit.
Oh. Hello, come on. You know I'm gonna take care of a speaker. Come on, understand.
Shit. What is song go again?
Take it to the candy
I
shop.
did that chair.
Yeah, take you to the candy shop. I let you lollipop.
Man, the people that dance on the stage.
Bed. There you saw something nice though. I wanna put you to bed. Gonna put you to
And I come
bed.
to my man, so you know.
Put you to bed. I'ma put you to bed.
It's too young to sing them song. Round finished. Next player. Daniel.
Did he start the screen record?
Cookie.
Gabriel, stop the noise. I'm still like here. You stop the noise.
Cookie. Sure.
Wanna know the song with Cookie?
I think one song have Cookie in there, man. Lavinia wins.
Period.
Liar. What is that? Because you're rigged this
There's
system.
nothing because
You're
of
rigged it
nothing.
because
I
with
want
Ty.
fair
No,
and
with
square.
Ty, Lavinia, you
Fair
know it too.
and
Or
square.
4-3.
5, 3.
Main menu. Alright, we're gonna do one new game and we're gonna do pop next.
Right.
We're gonna do pop.
Alright, new genre, pop.
You know, so when I know pop song, girl.
We'll see. So take off random words now.
Check off. Shit last Christmas. Alright, new game. Next. Pop. Wanna do that one here too? Spanish.
Why would I want to do a Spanish?
You not speak Spanish?
No.
Get so. Ready. 3, 2, how this go now? Okay.
Give your all to me. I give my all to you.
Alright,
Give your all to me. I give my all to you.
Miss Universe. Alright. Worth a star, you get a star. Loving you can't move it with my words then, man.
Oh, me to help you.
Because you fight me out. You know, make something that help me. 3, 2, 1. Honey. I like my girls just like I like my honey. Kelani, sweet. Nah, sing what the rest of the song do. I'm get my 1 points.
I don't know that song, but
Is Kelani name honey?
just say Kelani sing it, so we're
We got
working
my-
with it.
I like my girls just like I like my honey. Sweet, little selfish.
Got my artist Kelani. You can Google it now, you know. You know, say you fight me out, you know, I'm not a liar, you know. I'm not a
Man, I
liar.
said nothing, girl. Man, I said we are work with it.
Ty. Alright, Lavinia, are you ready?
Yes, yes, I am.
Alright, ready. She's.
Cry.
If me help you with this, you have to help me with one of my words.
Jesus,
you know?
leave me alone.
No, me help you and you help me with
No,
one of my
don't be nice. I don't want to cry no more. What
You're
the song
lucky,
go?
you're lucky, you make it. You make it.
Right.
Mama, don't cry no more. Oh, bitter days are there for sure. Wipe those tears from your eyes.
You made it by,
Right.
by your fingernail. Alright, round finished. Cry. What is something going on? You know, the rest of it.
Girl, no girl. We
You
just
should
go that part
You
there.
should get the points. But I just know send me a lead in. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Dream. I have a dream last night. So gonna be large than life. I said go.
Man, you know girl,
Me have to
hear that
get
song there.
me have to go get compensation for something. I don't know if I saw the words go, but
Me get a dream last night. Say we gon' be large than life. You have to get compensation for the war and strife.
you know that song that Gabriel? Me have a
You
dream
don't know
last
anything,
night. Gabriel,
man.
you know it? She said what she said?
She say yes, you know. She
Yeah,
don't know
if
anything.
she know it, it is
She
a
don't
song.
know anything.
Even if I know the words, the dream in there. Round finish. 2, 2. Wait, Lavin, you ready?
Yeah.
Jesus, you have me a slouch.
Me have you
Say.
Say my name, say my name. When no one is around you, say
Sarah,
baby,
me
I
and the girl.
love you.
Sarah, it's good for looking at my eyes and sing the song.
Anyways,
Say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. If you ain't running game. Say my
Alright, life. Yeah, the same song. I have a dream last night, so I'm gonna be large than life. That have life in there.
so unoriginal.
You can't fight me, no girl.
What do you mean you couldn't pick a different song?
I don't have the time to think one of different song and one there right there stuff on the tip.
Listen, man,
Round finish.
that is so unoriginal.
You never make no rules when the game start though.
I should have.
That's the end of it now. Next player. Alright. Next player is Lavinia. You ready?
Yes.
Alright.
Love.
Yeah, guys.
I will tell you that I love you tonight.
Looking at my eyes, I sing no girl. Come
But
on,
I
girl.
know that I've got time on my side. Bop, bop! Big tune!
I would tell you that I love you tonight, but I know that I've got time on my side.
Alright. Oh, you get a star. You
Period.
should have look in the mode of the tea. Round finished. Next player. Daniel, Jesus. Yeah, help me with that word.
No.
Help me with that here.
No.
Yeah, go on, so girl.
No.
You have a chance to fix my ice cold.
No.
Jesus, see how something there.
Just.
Man, I like when they give you them simple words, you know.
No, that's not just.
Words have just. Because
Yeah, but me can't think of nothing.
them can't do them round finish. Alright.
Look
Tie.
at that.
Tie.
Wait, what kind of
Is
tie?
that tie? You know what see? Your turn.
Girl, that's what I
Perfect,
said.
perfect.
Baby, you look perfect tonight. Ed Sheeran, perfect.
Oh.
Perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman.
Player 2.
You mean?
Ready. Take.
So take me or leave me. Take me or leave. You don't know Marilyn Monroe? Nicki Minaj?
No.
Take me or leave me. I'll never be perfect. Believe me, I'm worth it.
No, that gave me a rigged.
Lavinia wins.
And that's why you choose one game where you know so you are going to be good at. Main
I
menu.
choose a game then. Anyways, guys, that concludes the video. Wasn't anything long, but I enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, and until next time, go and big up on yourself.